Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about find the value of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put the power 2 for the both sides. So this one can solve about the square root. Now we just have like this. Now let's go back to this one. So for this one I will put on the left and S I will put on the right. So we can see that this one is similar for this one. Now we need to transform this one into 1 over S. So I will put this one gone here. Next, this one I will put on the left. And we have 12s squared plus s, and I will put number 1 go to the right. And now we can find the solutions of s. So this one we have s equals to 1 over 4 and s equals to negative number 1 over 3. Because this one they always positive under the square root, so we just select only s equals to 1 over 4, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.